Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Shortcuts app, open it and tap the plus sign to create a new shortcut. Add your first action now, choose scripting then speak text, because that tells Siri exactly what to say. Once added, name the shortcut with the phrase you want Siri to recognize. Make sure the name is concise and distinct. This reduces misfires. Also, optionally add a set variable action first if you plan to reuse or dynamically change the spoken phrase. Next, create the message logic. If you want different lines or dynamic content, add ask for input or combine text and get variable actions, because variables let you change output on the fly. Chain actions. Format the text exactly, commas, ellipses, and pauses, then feed that into speak text. Once done, press the play button to test. If Siri speaks too fast, add wait actions or adjust rate in speak text. Doing so makes sentences clear and natural. Finally, connect your shortcut to Siri. Open the shortcut settings and choose Add to Siri, then record or type the exact phrase you'll speak. Make sure the phrase matches the shortcut name or is uniquely phrased, because clarity prevents accidental triggers. After saving, invoke Siri and say the phrase to confirm it works. If it fails, check language settings, microphone permissions, and that Do Not Disturb is off. These are common blockers that stop Siri from hearing or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.